Spotify, Pete. There's a reason when we talk about Spotify, folks, that so few of you actually own or trade this name. And that's because it's a $600 stock that's up 10% today. So yeah, 60 bucks out of a $600 stock, that's pretty damn nice move. I think overall, Pete, they had a 16% year over year revenue increase. Again, not 36 like Palantir, but 16%, nothing to sneeze at. But it's a $600 stock. Folks, you should be looking at options on $600 stocks. I mean, for all the work and all the trading that Pete and I have done for decades now, we would tell you that options give you leverage. They also basically give you things that you have to deal with, like how do you address time decay and things like that. But once you know how to do that, you can trade options on a $600 stock, and they don't have to be $50, $60 options. You can find better ways to get long with less, or short, depending on your outlook, with less money. And that's one of the highlights that I'd say about, again, Spotify with a great earnings report today, Pete.
Yeah, they crushed it, John. They were up 11% last I looked. It was trading over 600 bucks like you're talking about right now. I think the high that I saw was something over 600, 607, something like that. It might even have been higher than that. It's right up against those 52-week highs. But when you look at the revenue, absolutely incredible. You look at the subscribers, that's up 11% for those premium subscribers. So active users, yeah, that's up 12% as well. These numbers are just absolutely extraordinary, and their projections, their outlook right now, also extraordinary for the users, for the premium buyers. So there's a lot of things that I'd say that the takeaways are Spotify is rolling. They're doing the right thing. This is a stock that probably keeps on going. But to your point, John, sometimes a $600 stock gets awfully expensive for a lot of people. That's why I think options, to your point, make a heck of a thing. We're not here just to preach about the options, but it is the world that we're in, the derivatives world, and that gives you opportunity in stocks like this and some of the others where they're somewhere up in the stratosphere and you can't buy enough stock to really make a difference. That's the problem right now, but the problem is solved by using options. I agree with you.
Yeah, and it lets you diversify, folks. Imagine tying up even 500 shares of Spotify's $300,000. Yeah. We could show you 10 different ways to own that stock, to basically bet on the stock going higher or lower with options. So you should check out Market Rebellion for that.